Well, the market's not so good today. So, everything seems to be falling today. Kind of crazy how it's like a year from, well, I think March 16th was one of the biggest market crashes in history a year ago. Basically a year later, it's kind of funny just to see everything fall. I think this is like the bottom, the anniversary of the bottom. So it's funny to see things starting to all fall today. I find it a little ironic. Yeah, it kind of does show things don't fall forever though. Silver is down to about $25, just a tad over. I'm still being patient. I buy at 25 and below. I don't buy above. That's the line in the sand that I made when I created my strategy, and I'm sticking to my strategy. It has done very well for me. So, with that being said, I'm kind of getting eager to buy some silver. I do collecting, so I did get a collector purchase on the side. I do like to melt silver and pour, so I do get a little bit of silver shot still just to pour, because why not? It's fun. It's a hobby. It's an expense, not an investment. That's kind of the way I see it. I just think with Germany extending their lockdown for a little bit till past Easter, I think that is kind of dragging everything down. People are starting to understand, okay, just because you have the vaccine ready and everything doesn't mean that everything's just gone, it's over with just like that. Like, I think people will have a moment in the midterm future where the pandemic will be over, and they'll think everything's fine and dandy, and then realize, oh, the monetary issues, they still exist. Oh no. And the fear trade will begin. That's kind of the way I see it. But I see a recovery first. I don't really anticipate, when there's good news about the economy recovering, that's going to be very bullish for the markets and everything. But then the economy could overheat, cause too much inflation, too much upward price pressure, too much jobs would equal too much currency circulating, demanding the same amount of goods. That's really what it boils down to. With that being said, I'm not too worried. I'm not too excited about silver because I still do collect. I just made a collector's purchase last weekend, got some pretty good deals on it. Still cheaper than buying silver at today's price by a few dollars an ounce. Not by a little bit, but yeah, it's noticeably cheaper still from that auction purchase. Yeah, I kind of took a lot of my craving to buy silver away, and yeah, I'm going to use some of that to melt because potentially I wouldn't mind melting the Harry and Meghan coin or whatever, just because it's cheaper than it's like just buying silver shot. He really cares, kind of the way I see it. I don't think that the price of silver is going to go down forever though. I think it's gonna turn around when everyone starts to say, okay, this is so low or something, and maybe I'll back off. That's definitely the time to start buying, because that's when a lot of people like myself will start to say, hey, I've been holding off for this time, now it's under this price target, I'm gonna start buying, it's a great deal again, etc, etc. That's just kind of the way I'll view it though. Just my thoughts, just my opinions. I'd love to know all of your guys' thoughts and opinions, and I'd love to know what you guys think about the price drop. If you guys are buying right now, if you guys are taking advantage of the dip, if you guys are still holding off, saying prices might be too high, if you guys have never held off, whatever it may be, I'd love to know. I'd love to know what kind of pieces are you guys stacking? Are you stacking constitutional, bars, rounds, sovereign mint coins, hand pours? I'd love to know that too. So please comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. It helped me out a lot. I'm trying to get up to 750 by the end of next month. Let's see if we can do it. And yes, stay positive. See you next time.